In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure a 40% off discount code for Funding Pips in 2025. This is a great way to save some money while making the most of the Funding Pips platform. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to the Funding Pips website. It's the starting point for setting up your account and ultimately snagging this great discount. Navigate to the registration page where you'll need to input all the necessary information about yourself. Make sure to fill out every required field accurately. This ensures that your account is properly established, avoiding any hiccups down the line. Now, a crucial piece of the puzzle is having a referral code on hand. This code is what triggers your discount, so double check that you have it ready as you proceed. Once your details are submitted, you'll want to click Get Funded. This action initiates the creation of your account, and you'll be quickly directed to a page confirming your account has been set up successfully. However, setting up your account isn't fully complete without email verification. Head over to your email inbox and find the verification email from Funding Pips. Clicking Confirm Your Email in this message finalizes the verification process. This step is vital as it ensures your account is ready for the upcoming processes. With your email confirmed, your next move is to log back into your account. Once inside, direct your attention to the homepage. Look for a plus sign located at the top left corner of the page. It's hard to miss. This plus sign is essentially your gateway to accessing any additional options or settings you might need, including your billing details. Clicking on the plus sign, you'll find yourself navigated to a new area. It's time to focus on the billing details. Click on this section to proceed. It's essential to fill out these billing details carefully, providing all the correct information required for any payment processes. Once your billing details are complete, the next step is to continue to the payment. This button will guide you through to the final stages of securing your purchase. But here's where your referral code becomes especially important. If you've entered your referral code correctly, you can rest assured that your 40% discount will apply to your transaction. That's it. By following these steps methodically, you can successfully register for Funding Pips, confirm your account, and enjoy a hefty 40% discount. It's a fantastic way to capitalize on this opportunity while making sure you're fully set up to use everything Funding Pips has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy saving.